Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Monday termed a Class 10 CBSE English question paper downright disgusting and called it typical RSS BJP ploy to crush the morale and future of the youth. Rahul Gandhi's tweet came after a question paper of the English exam conducted on Saturday had a comprehension passage with a sentence that read, "Emancipation of women destroyed the parents' authority over the children." It was only by accepting her husband's way that a mother could gain obedience over younger ones, read another sentence, calling the passage typical RSS BJP ploy to crush the morale and future of the youth. The Congress leader further urged the kids to do their best, adding that hard work pays, bigotry doesn't. The Congress President Sonia Gandhi on Monday slammed the government over the CBSE Class 10 English question paper and described it an extremely poor standards of education and testing. Raising this issue in the Zero Hour, she said that a shocking, regressive passage on the women published in the Class 10 CBSE examination held on December 11th was derogatory and regressive for the women. She asked the CBSE to withdraw the question and tender an apology. Quoting the text of the passage of the question paper in the House, she said, "Entire passage is riddled with such condemnable ideas and the questions that follow are equally nonsensical." She strongly objected to such blatantly misogynist material. The question paper for the English examination conducted on December 11 had a comprehension passage with sentences that read, "Emancipation of women destroyed the parents' authority over the children," and it was only by accepting her husband's way that a mother could gain obedience over the younger ones, among others. Seeking an apology from the CBSE, Sonia Gandhi also said that this passage reflects extremely poorly on standards of education and testing and urged the Ministry of Education to immediately withdraw the question. Earlier, Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also objected to the English question paper that triggered a controversy for allegedly promoting gender stereotyping and supporting regressive notions. Unbelievable! Are we really teaching children this drive? Clearly, the BJP government endorses these retrograde views on women. Why else would they feature in the CBSE curriculum? She tweeted. The Central Board of the Secondary Education has now referred the matter to the subject experts. The CBSE issued the statement saying the passage is one set of the English paper of CBSE Class 10 first term examination held yesterday has received mixed reactions from a few parents and students, stating that it seems to support regressive notions on family and allegedly promotes gender stereotyping. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Sundar reporting for iScope Media.